Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. In this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very unique, beautiful, latest and eye-catching designer style hand embroidered and machine embroidered face mask designs. So friends, as all of you could see that very beautiful embroidered mask designs are in this video collection. So now let's talk about the topic of this video. So in this video, our prime importance and our primary concern is health, because our health is very important. Without health, this world seems useless to a person. So as all of you people know that coronavirus COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus and it has affected a number of people of various ages and various genders. So but there is a very important and very easy step to stay protected from this very dangerous and harmful virus, and that is wear a mask. Make a habit of wearing mask whenever you go out for the sake of work or some other sort of basic necessities, because wearing mask can not only save your lives but the life of the persons that are near you. So now let's move to the step-by-step details of this video. In this video you would see very beautiful, very eye-catching and designer style embroidered face masks, and this collection contains 75 beautiful mask designs. And friends, one more thing, that kindly do try these design patterns. You will spend a very nice time while making these embroidery patterns in your quarantine time. As you people could see that this collection is a blend of hand embroidery and machine embroidery patterns. So as per your choices, as per your requirements and as per your demands, you can select designs of your choice. Before moving further to the details of embroidery patterns, embroidery stitches, I have a few simple requests, that if you haven't subscribed my channel or you are new to my channel, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And if you like the video, then don't forget to like, and please share this video with your friends and family, because you may have number of people in your social circle who are much beauty conscious and they are lovers of fashion, and they are not preferring health over their fashion classics. So share this video with them, show them very beautiful embroidery pattern of face masks, and convince them to wear face masks, because these embroidered pattern of face mask would surely get their attention and they would love to wear these beautiful embroidered masks, and these beautiful embroidered masks would go well with any sort of dressing sense, that is, they would look unique, ideal and classy, along with formal as well as some semi-formal dresses. If you are going to a party or some special friends gathering or some special events like weddings, then it is must compulsory for you to wear a mask, because in these type of events there is a gathering of massive people. So friends, if you have any requirements, any preferences or choices regarding fashion sense, fashion style, design ideas, then comment below this video. We will surely give primary concern to your interest and choices. And one more thing friends, that these beautiful embroidery patterns could not be only specifically used for face masks, but you can use these patterns for a number of reasons. That is, you can use these embroidery patterns to design your dresses, baby dresses, or you can decorate your home, like making these patterns onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, table mats, kitchen pot accessories, hoop art, and much more. And now let's discuss the material with which you are going to make it. So it depends on to your choice, that you can use embroidery wool, embroidery thread, and in embroidery thread you can use anchor, TMC, and you can also use very thin silk ribbon for making these embroidery patterns, or you can get these design patterns designed for you by any type of embroidery machine, that is digital embroidery machine, automated embroidery machine, or simple casual, usually locally used embroidery machines. So friends, thank you so much for watching the video. Keep supporting us like this, keep watching our content, keep showing your interest in our designs. Stay blessed. And once again, I'm requesting you, your health should be your primary concern than anything in this world. And with this beautiful collection of face mask embroidery designs, you would at the same time be benefited with two things. That is, you can stay protected and safe from viruses, pollution, and different type of allergies. And at the same time, you can maintain your classy, chic, and stylish dressing sense. So don't go anywhere. Please watch the video till end. And once again, thank you so much for watching the video.